Alright guys, so got some stuff in the mail today. Got the list here. Got a popper lure body, some split rings, some closed eye screws, and some treble hooks. What is making all that racket? Alright, where were we? So I was just gonna order these C-strings, but if my bill came to like $14, and if I did 15 or over, they wouldn't add on $4. So I got this popper. It is Okuru popper. Forgot the color. It's something like some type of bass. Yeah. These treble hooks are only $4.80 for 25 of them, and they're mustad hooks. I'll show you one of them. They're actually really nice hooks. They have like standard hooks, 2 times strength, 3 times strength, and 4 times strength. And I got these standard ones, and they look fine. Of course, I can't get any of them out. They're still pretty decent sized hooks. And they're size 4 hooks. Yeah, I mean, they're not super thin like what comes on a stock lure, bass lure. So probably put some on this, and then I got these because I started like making poppers and spooks and crankbaits out of wood. I haven't made any videos on that, but I'll start. I just want to show you what I got. 25 hooks for $4.80. 100 O-rings for $4.50, and 100 of these eyelet screws for $5.40. I thought these were going to be a little longer. I could have got the 1-inch ones. These are 3/4 of an inch. I was thinking of the screw part, not the entire thing. So they should be fine. I'm gonna put some epoxy in there and whatnot. So yeah, I got this off Barlows Tackle. They are in, just cover up my Barlows Tackle Shop in Texas. There's the information there. So yeah, they have a lot of cool fishing supplies. So check them out. Alright, thanks for watching.